Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl, Elaine Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. If this is your very first time, I need you to stop what you're doing, click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. Okay, so today is going to be a very quick and short video review of the new pens that are in my shop. So if you've been looking for a fine liner pen that just writes the very first time, every time, then you're in the right place. I hope that these will do some justice and that you'll like them enough that you'll go over to the shop and purchase them because they're only $3 a pop. So let's get into it. All right, so one thing that I do need is a notebook. So I'm gonna grab one of my notebooks that are just blank on the inside so we can see how that works. And this is an Erin Condren, which is a little bit of a thicker paper. These are also going to be coming to the shop as well, and they're just little clips. You can clip them inside of your planner if you want to. They're just like barrette type things, and you can like clip it there. You can actually take this off and make another clip. Like, it just depends on what you want to do with it. But yeah, they'll be on sale in my shop as well. All right, so here we go. And I'm gonna show you what they look like. They are all black pens, but I'm gonna show you like how they come before you've even used them. Okay, so they're all going to come. Let me see if I can give you guys life. Oh, it doesn't wanna. Okay, but that white cap right there that you see, this white cap on here, they all come with a white cap. And that lets you know the pen has not been purchased before. So, or used before. Got it, same thing again with the green. Okay, just making sure I show you. Now I want to show y'all everything. Uh-oh. I was totally out of screen. Okay. Okay, there you go. All right, so those are the pens. Basically, like I said, you're gonna get this sky blue. You can get the gray. You can also get the green or the white, the pink, or the purple. So each one of these pens is $3 separately, or you can pay, because 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is normally $18, but you can pay a low price of $12 and you can get the whole entire set of pens. So for just $12, you can get the entire set of the pens. All right, so let me just show you how they write in comparison to some of the other pens that we have that we like to use from time to time. So this pen, we're gonna call this the Elaine Michelle Studio. Okay, and as you can see, it's just smooth, it just glides, it works really nice. There is no like shadowing or anything on there. Again, I do write and press hard, so that might be a thing. The second thing I like to see is how much was it draping, or whenever you're trying to see how much you can if it's gonna spread. There we go. Why couldn't I think of that? Just talking about spreading. So it's kind of been dry just a little bit. We're just gonna see. We're gonna take our mild liner and just see. Wow. Do you see that? Let me zoom y'all in so y'all get the real. So this is all I did. I did not pick it up, but we don't have any smear on that pen. Like, okay, here for it. Here for it. So it literally is just like drying as I write. And like, even so, I just rubbed my hand across it and it was dry. Okay, so let me see. A test for us would really be me writing on something of a glossy nature, which I'm trying to pull out of my sticker Stashalicio. I don't know what the Stashalicio is, but I just kind of made that up and I want to rock with it. So okay, so I grabbed one of the bit boxes and we're gonna see how it writes on a bit box. That way you can see when you're picking up your pen, you know, if you like it, you can grab one of those too. So we're gonna stick that down and we're gonna write bit. Now, of course, we know that's gonna take a little time because it is of a gel nature. So we'll just let that one just kind of chill and rest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. It's probably going to, oh, wow. It's not smearing. Like, I don't know if I'm zoomed in enough or not, but it's not smearing, guys. Like, it's just not, we don't have a smear game going on over here. Wow. Okay, so this pen is kind of like, I'm just saying, the pen is kind of something like amazing. So that was pretty cool. So that was that pen. Now, I don't think there's really anything left for me to show you. I did the pen test showing you with the highlighter, which is the main highlighter that we use. And then this one, just me writing and then trying to go over it just to see if I was going to get anything. This is me doing it again over the bit boxes that are on the glossy that people talk about all the time. So I don't know, y'all. This seems like it's going to be a really, really good pen. So if you're interested in this pen, again, the price for these pens, let me write it down since I got a nice pen and I could do that. So for these pens, you can get one is $3, and they really write a long time. I've been writing with one for about 2 weeks now, and it has yet to give out on me, and I'm really excited about that. So I wanted to make sure I tried them out before I just like launched them to you guys because. And then I love a good colored, I think I love colored pens because of the color barrels, but not so much using the color pen. I'm weird like that. So anyways, one of these will be $3, and then if you want to get all 6 of the colors, it's gonna be $12, which is a huge savings, a huge savings. Like, yeah, that's gonna be big. I'm excited about these. I have my bits that are coming, but these were like ones that you hadn't seen, so I'm really excited to give you guys a chance to see them and see how they work. Oh, I'm in love. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Will you be going to go purchase these pens and give them a try out? I really think you should. And you might want to grab, you know, grab as many as you can right now, because y'all know how it be. The things is hot, okay? I'm trying to branch out, and so this is my first step in branching out into some different products that I actually enjoy and love. And so I'll be bringing you some more of these as I find more that are affordable and that won't cost the arm and a leg to sell. So yeah, these are awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye!